Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to try and fix this speaker here. You can see this speaker was dropped and the frame is completely bent out of shape. Now I'm going to try and fix this by bending the frame back into its original shape. You can see how bad it's bent here compared to the other side here. You can see the surround is all buckled. So what I'm going to try and do is I'm going to put this side here into the vise here and try and pull it forward to try and get this crease out. And this is not working very well. Okay, I don't think that really helped at all, so I have another idea. Okay, so I have this block of wood here, and what I'm gonna try and do is screw this down, and hopefully when I screw down the screw, it will pull the frame back into the original shape. Okay, I have all the sides screwed down, except the one side where the buckle is in the frame. So now I'm gonna try and screw this down, and hopefully it will help fix the frame. You can see it's fixed a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna go around the edge here with a mallet and just make sure it's straight. You can see this side is still bent out of shape, so I'm gonna try and use a screwdriver to pry this up a little bit. So you can see that's a little bit better. So now I'm gonna use some pliers and try and straighten out that little buckle there. As you can see here, the buckle in the frame here is almost completely gone, but I'm still going to continue to use the pliers and flatten this out. Okay, I have this piece here all straightened out, and it looks pretty similar to all the other sides, so I'm gonna unscrew the speaker and see how it looks. As you can see, the speaker looks a little bit better, but there's still a little bit of bend in here, and I'm just gonna use the mallet to try and straighten some of this out. Okay, you can see the frame on the speaker's completely fixed, but this side here is still a little bit down compared to the other side. So I'm gonna put it on the lip of this board here and hammer it down here just a little bit with the mallet. Okay, if I move the speaker cone, you can hear it's not scratchy anymore, which is really good. You can see there are still some buckles here in the surround. Since the frame has been bent for so long, the speaker surround has started to take that shape. And so now that it's fixed, the surround might start to go back to its original shape a little bit. The outside here is a little bit bent from me screwing it down, so I'm gonna hammer this lip down a little bit. Okay, right now I am just making sure the frame is completely straight, and I'm gonna do a few fine adjustments by hammering out the frame a little bit to just get those tiny little flaws out of the frame. Okay, I'm just making tiny little bends on this piece right here, just to make the speaker not be scratchy. So just the tiniest little bend in here will make the difference of the speaker being scratchy or not. So I'm trying to bend this to the perfect shape so the speaker isn't scratchy. As you can see, it's not very scratchy, which is good. Okay, so I am close to being done with this. It's not scratchy at all, the frame is fixed, and the buckles in the surround aren't as bad as they were. Right here you can see the magnet is actually starting to separate from the frame. So I'm gonna go get some super glue and put it in the crack right here where it's starting to separate. Then I'm gonna clamp it down so it's flush with the speaker frame again while the glue hardens. Okay guys, so I've got the speaker here and I'm going to glue the magnet back to the frame where it's starting to separate. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of this kind of super glue and I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to go put some weight on it. Okay, so I've had enough heavy stuff on this speaker to hold it down while it cures. And if we take a look at this speaker where the crack was, you can see that it is no longer an open crack, it's completely sealed. Okay, I've got my speaker hooked up after the repair and I'm going to see how it sounds. as you can see, the speaker sounds pretty good. So this was a pretty successful repair.